Never stop. See? Oh! Oh! Welcome to St. Thomas, guys. It's my first time in St. Thomas in a long time. So let's check it out. Alright, let's go. First of all, we're going to walk on the beach right away. The wind is very strong out here. Then, I'm sure on the St. Thomas beach. We are in Marant Bay, I believe. Yeah, we are in Marant Bay. Wow. When the roof came out, this is just what to do. Watch your waves, them, bro, yo. Hey, breeze are licking right now, and I mic. The mic must have did it. Woo! Alright, we are going out of town now. Come in.
I'm going to Anansi.
They're in your hometown, yeah? Hey, let's go. We are dedicated to go everywhere around the island. And when we finish the island, we go to another island. And maybe another island. And maybe another island. Anyways, let's go. How about this? A pool? Let's go. Alright, as we can come, I'm caving. I just appeared from the skies. First thing we're going to do, we're going to climb the hill. We're going to climb the hill. Go on now. After you, yeah. Go on now. Okay. Alright, kill me. Kill me. Him just want to kill me. I St. Thomas they want to come kill me. I want to go on. Come in. First thing, there's nobody here. That's the first thing I notice. I don't really see anybody here. It is very quiet. Yeah? Very quiet and chill in St. Thomas. That's the first thing I've noticed. This is the lonely road. Ilang gully. Asam mystic man sa fish Florida or why me I sing that song there? I don't know if I see what I say. What that church the name? Maybe something wrong with me. Maybe something wrong with me. Hold on. What that church the name? Where you see? That cool Methodist that say. That is very confusing. I need somebody to explain this. I've never seen this before. I've never heard of this, never seen. Nothing like this before. Mm-hmm. So go man. Mm-hmm. So go up there. You hear about it.
No, I really see you go up there now.
Yeah, I hear about it, man.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to see from the TV. So.
Yes, man, yeah, I see it. You know why you so make me feel like when me there so bro. That's what I feel like you know your dream. Like just go like me now one dream bro.
Yes.
Yeah. Go on, man. Anyways, post office over there, so I don't believe you.
Yes,
Where?
on TikTok.
Okay, true. No, active, yeah. Oh, go on. Yeah, man, me I go everywhere, man. Everywhere. You see it, and we near this, you know, Portland, St. Thomas. You see, Bray. Okay. Run! Run, yeah, run! The one after the man a come. Run. Away here, run, I go.
Something else right now.
Easy now, man. Active, man. I fly where I'm flying now, bro. Active. What do you mean, man? Walk on. Backflip. Active. Active. No. Love yeah, man. You can't float.
What is your thing all about?
It's Anansi, man. It's family friendly. I go around and just do flips, make people laugh, stuff like that. And just, yeah, right now we are traveling every part of Jamaica. Reach St. Thomas now.
Man, I'll be listening.
Yeah, man, that's it. That's it. We just do that. Me eye, cock up me eye. How are you, sir? Me eye gone. We need glasses. Look up, watch your hand. Look up it. Big up on yourself.
One look, one look.
Okay.
Patrick.
Yes. Uno. True. Oh, a video share take, man. Video share take.
I never see you. Let me send you a video.
Oh, you're good then.
You can take a picture with him too.
Active.
What's upside
Ah, this could be. Oh, me. And something flip on them is like that. Yes, sir. Stop! Step in the name of love. Move in the name of love. Groove in the name of love. Go on, move. Good. Oh, this is the end of the road. Ain't nothing up here. Yeah, man. That is it, man. Active.
Spiderman.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, what you gonna do if I do a backflip? What you have up on the line? Nothing.
We want dislike fry.
Dislike? No, sir. That's no fear. That's no fear. You need like a fear proposal. That's not fear, brother. You need something fear. Something fear, man. $100. What do you mean? You know how much I'm have to pay me if you do one back $100 small?
Exactly.
That's a cheap
You want
price.
to get money?
Ready? Are you ready?
3, 2.
Ready. Ready? Oh, mommy. You're good, man. You're good, man. You're good, man. What's it that? Oop, now the sky plays quiet though. I'm not gonna lie, guys. St. Thomas is the quietest parish I've been to so far. I don't know if any other parish is going to beat it here, but it's definitely the quietest place I've been to so far. Let's see how it goes. And one thing I've also realized, there's not a lot of places that are playing like music and stuff like that. Like most places I go, I'm always a kick off a vibe or something. But that's something I've noticed. When we go this way, go back this way. Let's go. Come on, man, I see her. Oh, E, ha, fee, fi, fo, fong. Yeah, see. Wow.
Oh, young man.
Hey. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You see? Yeah. Go on. Mute. Stop. Active. One at a time. Retire you now. Retire. No, I go, man. The library there. Parish library right there. Hey! Active, man.
Yeah, man, for the table, there. Who will come back here? That say, that there.
Let's give you two of them. We give you two of them. Watch me, watch me. That's what we do it, you know? That's what? Watch it for you, man. $150 a pound, you carry and $200 a pound, just carry it. $150 a pound, you That's it, my G. Active, no. That is it. First time in a St. Thomas. I first me a come here. Yes. When you make the place look good. Zane, make the place look good. That is it. Yeah. Woo! Our school is like green. I be a green miss it everywhere. Oh, go on. We're there, you know? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh. Yeah, what was the school name, dog? Marant Bay High School. Cause everywhere I look, I see green, you know. What I don't know what. Well, so, yeah, it's Marant Bay High School apparently. I wonder where it's school is. I see everybody I come from this way. That means it's school up there, so? I don't know. Where, guys, who's from the school there? I hope so. Yeah. That's obviously everybody I come from. Okay, what's a backflip? When we done backflip today. Knock come. Alright, you get your backflip. No. Okay. Alright. Good? Yeah, man, you good? Yeah. I'll do your thing with you. Yeah?
Watch it.
That go and watch it, man. Yeah? Oh, you want me to do our next trick again? Alrighty. Don't try it at home. Active. That's my favorite flip. I know what name? That flick there. No, Webster. Webster. Active, yeah. Fully. Active, yeah. That is it, Vicky. Watch out! Yo, you see what flick me do already? One more. And then pass, you know. Alright. See it, yeah. Ready. There we go. Active. Then. Okay, sa menina linggan di pati. Ako naman na say na in Portuguese, brother. But I know what I say, but I know I say. Something like so, yeah. Yeah, something? Yeah. Let me have a good deal now. Let me have a go.
Yeah, Jamaica Spiderman, flexible dog.
Flexible for you in a look. Me a confío.
I don't want to be there.
No, she a text.
I know you did not take picture of.
Active, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, I that myself for real, yeah. Big up. I don't even know. Olive. What's that? Portland, St. Mary, St. Anne, St. James, Hanover, St. Thomas. 6 parishes we do. And next is Kingston. Kingston next. Dodge. You're slow, brother. How are this? What do you mean? Yeah. Okay. This is Anansi, man, not Spiderman. Yeah? Anansi, man. Of course. What do you mean lie? What do you mean lie? Yeah? To do that. Do what happen if me do that? What happen if me do that? Yeah, we'll give me some push up, you know. One more free?
Yeah.
Okay, me do it, me real.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah? Alright. Okay.
No, I'm
see? Say it again now. Now say it again. You see? Real now, no. Say it now, man. You can't satisfy. What if me do two? What if me do two? Not but you have to do something. You have to give me 5.
If I do 2, the other will get 10.
No, it's 5. Deal? Deal?
Okay.
What deal? Where's the deal? Deal. Who else a deal? You have to do it, you know. Because you are telling me to do everything, you know. Now I click. Him say I do 5 press up if me do 2. Yeah, I do 5 too. Yeah? I do 2. Watch out. Alright, step back. Step back when we do 2. Alright. Come, me ready. What? Come, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Wait, Wendy. Come. Don't bet me. No, you bet me now. You bet me. Do it. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, next time. We want the extra. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, you show off now, brother. No, that's not too much. You go and do. But don't bet me next time. You can do everything. Hey? Yeah? You can do all of them now. I mean, I do enough things, but you can do one more. What, flare? A flare you want to see? Or what? This thing flare, okay. That's what I mean. Yeah. I can't do nothing, but I don't want to get tired. I don't want to get tired because I have to do nothing more or something. But good though. Alright, look at it. Yeah. You know what, it's when I walk with pocket.
Before you go, do a chop.
Chop, you want too much. You want too much. Look a bit. You go walk. Look a bit. Anansi, man. See YouTube there. We got Power Square now. I just go like, I know where you know, honestly. I never know about this until I actually come here. Not too long ago. Zine, but come look at Power Square. Why are you running? Why are you running? Let's go to the beach. Nah, sir. Yeah, I'll lick me down. Right in front of them peas. I don't know. Okay. Wendy, you ready? You ready now? You may do back to final. Yeah. Alright, watch it. You let me do that, you know? You know? Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Look at it. Sorry. Do a front six? Alright, may I do it? Wala. Oh, wait, back here or no? Alright, ready? Yeah.
Spiderman.
Good? You that now. No more flick feel. Go on. Anyways, this is Hamburger Square. Why are you running? Why are you running? I'm going here. Why? Off here? No. Where's the hospital? It's close? Don't do it, no. No. We not do it. I don't know where to find the hospital. I don't know where it's there. If I didn't know where it's there, I would have jumped off though, honestly. So you're there so far. You catch me far over there, sir? You cannot be trusted, man. You cannot be trusted. Anansi man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. I come back from the ancient days. Yeah, I just come from Africa. Tukuma now behave himself, so I send him away. Yeah. Run away, run away, run away, and don't stay. Nah, nah, I'm not ready to risk my life. Paul square me there. Paul send me.
Yeah.
Paul send me. He said if you come and check out the place and see what I go on. Do a pan. Do a circle.
No, man,
Yeah.
I want to flick off now. Give me some.
We can't come flick for you still. What kind of flick you want?
Spiderman.
Tell me what you want.
Flick back flick. Say cheese.
Cheese and butter and bread and burger and KFC. You see it? And zinger too. I want zinger.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm a flick. Can I flick? Alright. How much flick me I give you?
Give me
Three?
three.
Three. Alright.
Three. Hey! Alright.
See, I believe I can fly and touch the sky. Just don't follow me. Yeah?
What do you mean, my boss?
Active.
He's the Jamaican Spiderman.
I am Anansi man, actually.
Anansi.
Yes. This is Anansi man. No, Anansi man, not Spiderman. Yeah, Anansi man. The Africa I come from. Yeah, I'm from Ghana. Yeah. Oh, this is our police station. Well, this is the police station. Barrack Bay police station, I guess. Yep. Yeah, I love that flick there. If I love that flick there one more time, like I can't just do it anytime. What boy?
Yeah.
That's it. Easy enough. I can do it anytime. Yeah. Chocolate for one. We don't work with crowd, you know. Crowd always cause accident. So you can't listen to the crowd. Me just do what I want to do. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Bilang goli. Do it again, Jamaica. All right.
Hold on. That is it. That is it.
No, we can't do that. I'm fit to take off my mask, brother. No, sir. Can't do that. May I hide me not do it again? I do that. I do that, me not do it again. Next spot. You never see. Why? Why? No, man. At least the place not so hot again. Yo, John. We go right in front them eyes, right in front them face. Why you so look jumpable still? Eh? Why they look jumpable? Turn 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 I believe in miracles. I believe in miracles. I can fly. I can. Funny wall. Hey! 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 Ah.
With $1 million in the big final,
2 we have a flick pan grass. We have a flick pan grass, yeah, man. Grass there, we have a flick pan concrete, nah, sir. I'll try a food, I know. Anyways, let's go. We're gonna try and do a food right now. I'm tired, but we're gonna do this. Ready? Hey, if you're on the live type, come on in our chat. I'm in Marant Bay, St. Thomas. Then, if you've never been to St. Thomas before, I bring you come so you can see it firsthand. See, we there one park. I don't know where name, but we there one park somewhere on the roadside somewhere. All right, watch me now. Me no know if you back flick. You can't flick. Alright, so you have the answer, but you ask me though. Eh? I never played this in my life. Weird.
What's going on here?
So I don't know what I do every day of practice. Give me something. Give me something. Oh! Oh! Hey! Easy! Yo! 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 Yo, boy. Listen, I don't practice, I don't know what I do. I first I do this. I don't even know if they boom me ball. I don't know what I do, you know. I'm supposed to say I'm no use. No use.
Back him up. Come on,
Yeah, the foot for luck, you know, come and see what I'm going so. Yes. What are they? It's our whole team out here.
no way, bro.
Look at my body. Now go on, man. Whew. Now they can give me the same thing again, you know. Yeah. Easy.
Run!
Dano. Dano, man, no use. Not even one dog.
So this is gonna play YouTube too?
I want to look like you have control. A long time I do it. No, sir, why not? You can't tell some you're amateur, no. John was star. I really little one and a half to give me. John. Boy, this not look good. Lord have mercy. Yo, look at me for quitting now, because them man have me look bad dog. No, sir. Listen, I left this to be professional. Guys, I'm not lie. I know my sport this. I know I'm tall, but I have no use. No, sir. No, sir.
You can't like
Go, yes.
Yeah?
Ready? You brave?
We did it before.
Alright. Now wear your pants.
No.
No, me I wear your pants. It's easier something. Now your job.
No.
Ready? Let me see what you have. Ready?
No, so.
Oh.
Like the one.
Me not do that. I'm afraid you know your job. Only the one I'm comfortable with. I can't hold you. Ready? Nice. See there? You're good for two, man. What go on? Hold on, are you the up there, sir? Why you reach down here, sir? Oh, yeah, you're going down here. Eh? Ah, you're dead. Suppose I just a mash up. Eh? Eh? No, you mash up, man. You got a road. Look at it. Bro, it's a light post this. Or am I just fool? It looks like one light post to me. It looks like one light post in our tree, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So you're gonna laugh at me now. But it looks like light post. Okay.
Flick now?
Eh? You know see me flick up the side though.
But me not see, give me a...
You know look. I'll make you one. Watch your back, watch your back. Go on, man. One, let me give you one. Teacher, I feel this.
Yes.
See? Never stop. We don't know one name stop. We can't stop. Come.
Ladies dress and blouse, man dress and casual.
Anyways, the town is almost done. Town small. What you do if me do it? If me do it, what you gonna do? $100? Alright, we work for money. How many $100 there? Come, give me money. I joke, me I make still. You're good, man. You're good. But just man know say you have something. Big up yourself. Eh? Do something for you too? What me I do for you? What I do for you now? Stop! Come. Rich, we are rich, you know, watch out. Rich, watch out. Come. Watch out. Rich. Rich. We don't take money still, but me like when you pass in on my hand. So respect here, big up yourself. Yeah. Hello. You're slow, bro. Hey. Ants, man. Anansi, man. Yeah, bro. One of the part.
I see we see on them, I say, are you?
I mean, nobody else now my suit. And me alone have this, you know. In our world, you know. You know? Oh, let me see. You can't see, man. Active. You can't see, man. It says they're active, man. I can see. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. What's up?
Spiderman,
Anansi, man, is the name, my friend.
So you can't wear one Spiderman suit? No!
I could, yeah. I do have that.
Oh!
Mm-hmm.
I'm one Spiderman party.
Yeah, man.
So with the cards there, we're not...
What you say?
Cards.
You want to beat me up? Is that what he said? You want to beat... Oh, I thought you said you want to beat me up.
Oh, you want to? Yes,
That's why you want to beat me up.
But it's the same Instagram page, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, good. So we can contact you on there.
Yes, yes.
Can do a backflip?
Yeah?
I follow you
You do? And what?
on TikTok.
Yeah? Hey.
Me too.
Yeah?
Follow for TikTok more than one.
More on one time? Alright, let me do a flick. What thing? Alright, let me do a flick now. What kind of flick we do now? Back flick.
Yo, if you actually flip, yo,
What? If me actually do it, what? What if me actually do it? What you ever do? Alright, ready. What? That's easy.
do it again.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Alright.
Do a bad one. Do a bad one. Do a bad one.
Nah, me nah want the car keep me down. Good. Ah. You see? See? Off it. Yeah? Yeah? Come in. Let's do this. Like this. Yeah. We bad. Mm-hmm. Sure. Alright, later. You know, I actually know me there. I actually know me there. Remember the gas station down there, so. We did go down there, so I buy one bike one time. I still remember it. Yeah. Dog, man. What's up? Catch on up on the top 5 van, so. Alright, I'm not go so far. That's maybe that is too far. Look on. Jakob. Jakob. Yeah.
See what you do. You don't see what you do. You want to see what you do, man. If you do it, I get fear, man.
No, your man, that's Spiderman is. I'm a friend of the red shirt, see, I said, so a man like Spiderman there, you know?
Oh.
Friend in the red shirt, I didn't see you.
Oh. Yeah, man. That is it. Mm. Big up. Okay.
Give him something.
Ah, what do you mean? Like so?
No,
what?
no. Alright, alright. No. Spiderman, come here, go.
What do you mean?
Spiderman, here, go. Spiderman.
You know, active. Come in, give it. Eh? America. Oh, flick. Just flick my fiddle. Just flick my fiddle. I don't know me, I got a yard. Triple? 3 of them? So 1, 2, 3. Easy though. Alright. 3 of them me I give up. What I do if me do it? What I gonna do? You give me a lunch bag?
No.
If the 3 of them have to give me a lunch bag and anything in there. Yeah? That. Alright. See you there. Come. 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 I want my food. Come. Thanks. Little bit. What I mean? You say I give me if me do it. So what happened? You change your mind? I don't know where I go tell your mother say. I don't know where I tell your parents say about my gun. And you give me. I joke. Want a shout out?
Yes.
Shout out yourself. Go on.
The username
Go on.
Tariqhoklul, which spell TARIQHOKLUL. Follow up my page, please.
Alright, are you that? Oh shit! Yeah, me I got me yard, dog. Me I got me yard now. We done with St. Thomas now. Big up on yourself, St. Thomas. Me I got Kingston next. Eh? One for you. That is it. Let's go. We are go back our yard now.
Jamaica, stop!
Never stop. Don't stop. You don't flick now. Now go home now. Watch it live. Go home and watch YouTube. Yeah. Right. Rotted. Watch out. Bigfoot, Bigfoot, Bigfoot. I joke, man. Take your food. My good man. Respect here. I told me to carry my wallet. I would have give you a piece of money, you see. But big up yourself later. Yeah, man. You're kind. Very kind. Easy now. Active. Yeah. I look at you that deserve something. But me now have nothing for me. So that's how you go. See, I'm kind. He's so kind. We find 2 pitney out there when I have no manners. I just 2, so it don't look too bad. You see it? I just 2 of them.
Again.
I don't even know if we're my turn. Yeah, see. Oh my God, I'm a yard.
Anansi!
Active. Active. Yeah, me do. Active, yeah. Yeah, man. All right, let's go. Alright guys, it was cool in St. Thomas, very quiet and peaceful place, honestly. I think it's very good, it's cool place to come chill, maybe by the park here. We have a little basketball court you can play on and stuff. We have, I think, juicy beef or something up there. A couple things that go on. Down that way, they have the KFC and the bossy things them down so. But we can't go right down that side right now, see it? Yeah, so. Big up on yourself, remember like, share, subscribe. Big up, I'm out.